Hey everyone, it's David. Today we're making your weight loss journey delicious with vibrant, healthy Asian cuisine. Forget boring meals. These recipes are all about bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and exciting textures. I've picked my top 10 quick Asian-inspired meals that are light, easy, and full of flavor. From stir-fries to salads and soups, you'll find something for every craving. No complicated ingredients required. Grab your apron and let's dive into these healthy, tasty dishes. First up, Singapore-style veggie noodle stir-fry. Colorful, light, and under 300 calories. This dish is perfect for those who want a quick, healthy meal without compromising on flavor. It's packed with vibrant vegetables and delicate rice noodles, making it a feast for both the eyes and the palate. The secret? A quick sauce, light soy, curry powder, and fresh lime juice. This combination brings a tangy, savory, and slightly spicy flavor that elevates the entire dish. The light soy sauce adds a subtle umami, while the curry powder gives it a warm, aromatic kick. The fresh lime juice ties everything together with a zesty brightness. Soak thin rice vermicelli in hot water. They're ready in minutes. These noodles are incredibly light and absorb the flavors of the sauce beautifully. Plus, they cook so quickly that you can have this meal on the table in no time. While they soak, slice bell peppers, carrots, and snow peas for a rainbow of crunch. These vegetables not only add a burst of color, but also provide a variety of textures and nutrients. The bell peppers are sweet and crisp, the carrots add a slight sweetness and crunch, and the snow peas bring a fresh green snap. Prep everything before you start cooking for a fast, stress-free stir-fry. Having all your ingredients ready to go means you can focus on the cooking process and ensure everything is cooked perfectly. This step is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Stir-fry veggies in a hot wok, add noodles, and keep everything moving to ensure even cooking. The high heat of the wok helps to sear the vegetables, locking in their flavors and maintaining their vibrant colors. And toss with the sauce. Make sure every strand of noodle and piece of vegetable is coated with the flavorful sauce. This step is where the magic happens, as the sauce infuses the dish with its rich, complex flavors. Cook just until everything's heated through and coated. You don't want to overcook the vegetables. They should remain crisp and vibrant. The noodles should be tender but not mushy, perfectly absorbing the sauce. The result? A giant, satisfying bowl of noodles. No guilt, just flavor. This dish is not only delicious but also nutritious, making it a perfect meal for any time of the day. Top it with some fresh cilantro for an extra burst of freshness. This dish is proof healthy eating can be vibrant and delicious. It's a great way to enjoy a variety of vegetables in a single meal, and the flavors are so satisfying that you won't even miss the meat. Try it for a quick, energizing meal. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a group, this Singapore-style veggie noodle stir-fry is sure to impress. Enjoy the delightful combination of flavors and textures in every bite. Next, teriyaki salmon and broccoli bowl, a protein-packed one-pan wonder. Make a quick teriyaki low-sodium soy, honey, ginger, garlic, and rice vinegar. Arrange salmon fillets and broccoli florets on a sheet pan. Brush with sauce and bake. The honey caramelizes, making the salmon moist and broccoli crisp. Serve over quinoa or brown rice for a balanced meal. Drizzle with extra sauce. Sprinkle sesame seeds and green onions. It's a beautiful, satisfying bowl that supports your health goals. Easy, fast, and full of flavor. Get ready to experience a burst of flavor and freshness with these Thai peanut chicken lettuce cups. This dish is not only fresh and vibrant, but also low-carb, making it a perfect option for anyone looking for a lighter meal that doesn't compromise on taste. Each bite is packed with a delicious combination of savory, sweet, and tangy notes, all wrapped up in a crisp lettuce leaf. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, meal prepping for the week, or just craving something different, these lettuce cups are sure to impress. Start by choosing the freshest, crispest lettuce leaves you can find. Romaine, butter, or iceberg all work well. These leaves act as the perfect vessel for our flavorful filling, and they're a healthy swap for traditional wraps or tortillas. Not only do they add a refreshing crunch, but they also keep the dish light and gluten-free, making it suitable for a variety of diets. Next, whip up a quick and creamy peanut sauce. Combine smooth peanut butter with a splash of soy sauce for umami depth, a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness, a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, and a touch of grated ginger for a subtle kick. If you like a bit of heat, add a squirt of sriracha or your favorite chili sauce. This sauce is the heart of the dish, bringing all the flavors together. In a hot skillet, brown lean ground chicken until it's cooked through and slightly golden. This gives the filling a rich, savory base. Then toss in diced water chestnuts and carrots for a satisfying crunch and a pop of color. The water chestnuts add a unique texture, while the carrots bring a hint of natural sweetness and extra nutrition. Stir everything together so the flavors start to meld. Pour the luscious peanut sauce over the chicken and vegetable mixture. Stir well to coat every piece, then let it simmer for a few minutes. This allows the sauce to thicken slightly and infuse the chicken with all those bold, aromatic flavors. The kitchen will fill with the irresistible scent of peanuts, ginger, and lime. Now, it's time to assemble. Spoon generous portions of the savory chicken mixture into each lettuce cup. Top with a sprinkle of chopped peanuts for extra crunch and a handful of fresh cilantro for a burst of herbal freshness. These toppings not only add texture and color, but also elevate the flavors to a whole new level. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lime juice over the top. This final touch brightens up the dish and ties all the flavors together, making each bite truly irresistible. When you take a bite, you'll experience a perfect balance of warm, savory chicken, cool, crisp lettuce, creamy peanut sauce, and fresh herbs. The combination of textures and flavors is both satisfying and refreshing, making these lettuce cups a standout dish. Thai peanut chicken lettuce cups are fun to eat, interactive to assemble, and always a crowd pleaser. Serve them as an appetizer, a light lunch, or a main course for your next gathering. Everyone will love building their own and savoring the explosion of flavors in every bite. If you're craving something light, vibrant, and bursting with flavor, Vietnamese shrimp and mango salad is the perfect choice. This dish is a celebration of fresh ingredients and bold, zesty tastes, inspired by the lively street food culture of Vietnam. It's a salad that's not only refreshing but also incredibly satisfying, making it ideal for warm days or whenever you want a meal that feels both healthy and indulgent. Start by making a classic nuoc cham dressing. In a bowl, whisk together freshly squeezed lime juice, savory fish sauce, a touch of honey for sweetness, minced garlic, and finely chopped red chili. This dressing is the heart of the salad, bringing together sweet, salty, sour, and spicy notes that are signature to Vietnamese cuisine. Adjust the balance to your taste. Add more lime for tang or extra chili for heat. Next, gently poach the shrimp in simmering water until they turn just pink and tender. Be careful not to overcook them, as you want them to stay juicy and succulent. While the shrimp cool, dice a ripe, fragrant mango into bite-sized cubes. The mango adds a burst of tropical sweetness that pairs beautifully with the savory shrimp. Now build the base of your salad. Layer shredded crisp lettuce, cool cucumber matchsticks, and a generous handful of fresh herbs. Think mint, cilantro, and Thai basil. These greens and herbs add a refreshing aroma and a burst of color, making every bite lively and fragrant. Add the poached shrimp and juicy mango cubes to the bowl, along with shredded carrots for a hint of sweetness and bean sprouts for a satisfying crunch. The combination of textures, tender shrimp, soft mango, crisp veggies, makes this salad truly special. Drizzle the vibrant nuoc cham dressing generously over the salad, ensuring every ingredient is lightly coated. Gently toss everything together, being careful not to bruise the delicate herbs or break up the shrimp and mango. The dressing will tie all the flavors together, infusing the salad with its signature zing. For the finishing touch, sprinkle a generous handful of crushed roasted peanuts over the top. The peanuts add a wonderful crunch and a nutty depth that complements the freshness of the salad. Add a few extra herbs and a squeeze of lime for a pop of color and flavor. Every bite is a perfect balance of sweet mango, succulent shrimp, tangy dressing, and aromatic herbs. The flavors are bright and lively, with a satisfying mix of textures that make this salad irresistible. It's a dish that feels both nourishing and indulgent, perfect for any occasion. This tropical, healthy bowl is as beautiful to look at as it is delicious to eat. Serve it as a show-stopping centerpiece for a summer lunch, a light dinner, or even as a vibrant starter for a special meal with friends and family. Vietnamese shrimp and mango salad is perfect for a light lunch or dinner, and it's sure to impress anyone who tries it. With its fresh flavors, beautiful presentation, and healthy ingredients, it's a dish you'll want to make again and again. Fire up the grill for Japanese chicken and veggie skewers. Yakitori made healthy. Marinate chicken breast cubes in soy, mirin, sake, or broth, and ginger. Thread chicken, scallions, and shiitake mushrooms onto soaked skewers. Grill or broil, brushing with marinade for a glossy glaze. The chicken stays juicy, veggies get sweet and tender. Serve with a simple salad or steamed edamame. These skewers are perfect for portion control and quick meals. Savory, satisfying, and packed with Japanese flavor. Enjoy a taste of the grill at home. Next, miso glazed eggplant. Rich, savory, and surprisingly light. Mix miso paste, mirin, rice vinegar, and honey for a quick glaze. Halve and score eggplants, pan-sear cut side down until golden. Spread glaze over the top, then broil until bubbly and caramelized. The eggplant turns creamy inside with a sweet, savory crust. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and green onions. This dish is elegant, satisfying, and vegetarian-friendly. Serve as a main or side for a burst of umami. Healthy comfort food at its best. Turn up the heat with Korean spicy tofu stir-fry. Plant-based and bold. Make a sauce gochujang, soy, garlic, sesame oil, and honey. Press and cube firm tofu, then pan fry until crispy. Stir-fry onions, bell peppers, and zucchini until just tender. Add tofu back in, pour over the spicy sauce, and toss to coat. Serve hot, topped with sesame seeds and green onions. Every bite is spicy, savory, and full of texture. A satisfying, healthy meal that's never boring. Perfect for a quick, meatless dinner. For a crisp, refreshing side, try Asian cabbage and carrot slaw. Shred green and red cabbage, grate carrots, and slice scallions. Whisk a sesame ginger dressing rice vinegar, soy, sesame oil, ginger, and honey. Toss veggies with dressing and chopped cilantro. Let it sit briefly to meld flavors and soften slightly. Top with toasted sesame seeds or slivered almonds for crunch. Light, colorful, and perfect with any main dish. A simple way to get your veggies in. Try ginger garlic shrimp with zucchini noodles for a super fast, low-carb meal. Spiralize zucchini or use pre-made zoodles. Sauté minced ginger and garlic, then add shrimp, soy sauce, and red pepper flakes. Cook shrimp until pink, set aside. Toss zoodles in the same pan for a minute or two. Return shrimp, toss everything together, and finish with lime juice. Light, protein-packed, and bursting with flavor. Dinner in under 15 minutes. Guilt-free and delicious. End with Thai coconut and lime chicken soup. Comforting, creamy, and light. Simmer light coconut milk with chicken broth, lemongrass, ginger, and lime leaves. Add thinly sliced chicken breast and mushrooms. Cook until just done. Finish with lime juice and fish sauce for balance. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of flavor. Each spoonful is tangy, fragrant, and soothing. This soup is quick, satisfying, and perfect for healthy comfort. A beautiful way to wrap up your weeknight meals. Try it for a taste of Thailand at home. That's it. 10 quick, healthy Asian-inspired meals you can make at home. From zesty stir-fries to comforting soups, healthy eating never has to be boring. Mix and match proteins, veggies, and spice levels to make these recipes your own. Let me know which one you'll try first in the comments. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more SlimSync recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Make healthy eating exciting.